हेलो एवरीवन। मैप्स एंड चाय में आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है। इतना सारा खाना देके आई एम ऑलरेडी फीलिंग famished, but today I will take you on an adventurous trip along with me.
Good morning, everyone. So, today we are heading towards Bali and we are having breakfast right now, as you can see. And हम लोग आज बहुत सारी जगह घूमने वाले हैं in Bangkok. So, we're gonna explore some temples here and the ocean world. I'm really excited for that one. So, stay tuned. So now we are heading towards the Emerald Temple. So special thing about this temple is that the statue of Buddha is made of emerald. So that is very interesting. So we will see what it is like, and this is one of the best places to visit in Bangkok. So let's go.
बैंकॉक एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत शहर है। जितना वो अपनी नाइट लाइफ और मसाजेस के लिए जाना जाता है, the real eye catcher are the temples of Thailand. So finally I'm at the destination, the Green Emerald Temple, which is also known as Wat Phra Khao in Thai language. This temple was mainly built in 1783 by the first king of Chakri dynasty, which was Rama the First. Look at this place. It is so grand. There are so many paintings inside. You can take an audio tourist guide which will guide you and tell you the story of the temple and the history of Thai culture. As you can see, ये एक बहुत ही बड़ी जगह है। तो मुझे ऑलमोस्ट आधा दिन लग गया यहाँ घूमने के लिए। So I was not allowed to shoot inside the Green Emerald Temple because it's prohibited there, but I can give you the glimpse of the rest of the temple. The main highlight of this temple is that हर एक साल द किंग, जो भी प्रेजेंट किंग है, वहाँ एक रॉयल सेरेमनी अरेंज करता है एंड ऑल द गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल आर welcomed there. So that is why this temple is known the most important temple of Thailand. So you guys must visit this temple at least once in lifetime. So आइए अब हम चलते हैं हमारे next destination, which is the sea life, ocean world. And I am really excited for this destination, as you can see behind me. अगर आपको मरीन लाइफ और सारी मरीन स्पीशीज़ देखने का शौक़ है तो आपको इस डेस्टिनेशन पर तो ज़रूर आना चाहिए। द मोस्ट अमेजिंग पार्ट फॉर मी वॉज, ये डेस्टिनेशन एक मॉल के अंदर है, विच वॉज द मोस्ट अमेजिंग थिंग आई हैव एवर एक्सपीरियंस्ड। लुक एट हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इज़ दिस प्लेस। जब आप इस प्लेस में विज़िट करेंगे तो बाहर आपको एक अलग टूरिस्ट लाइन से अपना टिकट लेना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज देर आर टू लाइन्स, वन फॉर टूरिस्ट एंड वन फॉर लोकल्स. And in addition to that, there's a boat trip available inside, but I would not recommend that boat trip because if you roam around the place you will see how beautiful they have displayed the fishes and the marine life. यहाँ पर आके मैंने बहुत ही न्यू स्पीशीज़ देखी, जैसे ये सी हॉर्स फिश and penguins and octopus. There was also a snake bark inside. So यहाँ हमने एक स्टार फिश भी टच किए, which was the most amazing part.
How do you feel? Sorry. Up where? The brand one.
After touching the starfish, I came to this beautiful scenery, which was full of penguins. I mean, look at this amazing view. I was literally feeling like a small child, and I was so excited to go here, there, and everywhere. See here. I was so happy to see this big turtle. Oh my god, just check out. Look at this view. And here I am trying to make a contact with the turtle, and oh my god, she responded to me. I was so happy with that. But सच में ये एक ऐसा व्यू है जो हमें नॉर्मल लाइफ में देखने नहीं मिलता, तो आप लोगों को यहाँ ज़रूर आना चाहिए. The main highlight part was this tunnel. Oh my god. You can see every marine life species in this tunnel, and I was so amazed how they have built such a beautiful place. If you are planning to visit this place, आपको at least 4 to 5 hours अपने पास रखने चाहिए, because this place is huge and I'm so amazed how this place is beautifully built inside a mall. I wish हमारे इंडिया में भी हम कुछ ऐसा build करें, so that we can see all the rare species of marine life and also save them and feed them well. सो आप जब भी बैंकॉक आए प्लीज़ इस प्लेस पर ज़रूर विज़िट कीजिएगा, बिकॉज इट्स टोटली वर्थ इट. एंड आफ्टर द ट्रिप इफ़ यू आर हंग्री यू कैन ट्राई मैनी फूड ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल इन द मॉल एज वेल. मेरे पास इतना वक्त नहीं था मॉल घूमने के लिए, बिकॉज आई हैड टू कैच अ फ्लाइट. सो हियर आई एम.
So finally I'm at the airport and I'm leaving today for Bali. I'm so excited. So I think the whole day was superb. मतलब इतना मज़ा आया कि समझ ही नहीं आया कि कब दिन शुरू हुआ और कब दिन ख़त्म हुआ. And I think it was one of the best day कि इतने कम टाइम में we covered a lot of spots. So looking forward to the next destination and I'll keep you posted on it. Until then,
So as usual मैंने स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स की शॉपिंग की. आई हैड दिस अमेजिंग cinnamon bun and then I was on to my flight to Bali. So thank you so much everyone for watching my vlog, and if you have not subscribed to my channel for such more travel vlogs, please subscribe down below. यार फ्री है, कर दो. Thank you so much.